Hi guys, today I will show you how to do these 3 basic animations on Procreate. For this tutorial I use my iPad Air 4 and Apple Pencil 2, but you can use any kind of device. Let's start with animation number 1. After you open the app, select the color you like, and it can be anything because it won't matter at the end. After that, you need to add second layer. You can do it at the top right corner next to the color. My Procreate is in Turkish, but it doesn't matter because the design of the app is same in all languages. You can just follow my movements. After that, select any brush and color you like. I choose white because it suits with most of the backgrounds on videos. And just draw some stars. For this animation, I draw stars on 3 separate layers. The key is to make a little differences in each star so it will do some movement, hence the animation we are making. For final step, you need to go to the layer button and delete the colorful backgrounds. You can delete it by sliding to left and choose the red button. To see how it turned out, you need to go to the top left corner, choose settings and animated GIF or GIF. I don't know. You need to enable transparent background. Also, you can select the animation speed and voila! Your first animation is ready. Let's continue with second animation. I think this one is the hardest. Even though it's the hardest, most of the steps are the same. You do the exact same things. There are just 2 differences. The first one is you need to plan ahead because it won't be easy as the stars. You need continuous movement. Therefore, you should plan. Lastly and most importantly, when adding new layers, you just need to select previous one because if you select all, your drawing won't be good. Until the final step, you just select the previous layer, nothing more. Again, if you are confused, just follow my movements. After all the layers are done, delete the colorful background and select all the remaining layers, and then the usual steps and voila again. So here is our final animation. This won't be hard as the previous one. There won't be much layers, just additional 2. Just find 2 colors that are in harmony with each other and choose your words and start doing it. In second layer, you must do the exact opposite of your first layer drawing. For final step, just unselect colorful background and you're good to go. I hope you like this video. I will share these GIFs with you in the description box. I'll see you on another video. Bye!